Imagine you open two savings accounts, both starting with $1,000. The first account adds a flat $50 every single year. The second adds 5% of your current balance each year. After year one, they're identical, but which one would you want to own in 30 years? What you've just imagined are the two most fundamental patterns in mathematics, arithmetic and geometric sequences. They are simple rules that help predict the future, from the balance in your bank account to the growth of a plant. The first account, with its flat $50 addition, is an arithmetic sequence. It follows a pattern of constant addition. We call that constant amount the common difference. This growth is linear, predictable, and steady. Think of a salary that gets the exact same dollar amount raise every single year. To find any future term, you just take your starting point and add that common difference a certain number of times. The second account, however, is a geometric sequence. It grows by multiplication. Instead of a common difference, it has a common ratio, in this case 1.05. This is exponential growth. The amount of interest you earn actually grows each year because the balance it's based on is also growing. Think of a viral video doubling its views every hour. This type of growth starts slow but becomes incredibly powerful very quickly. The formula for it even uses an exponent to capture that explosive potential. So what's the core distinction? Arithmetic is steady addition. It's a straight line on a graph. Geometric is explosive multiplication. It's a curve that shoots for the sky. Recognizing this difference isn't just for a math test. It's about understanding the hidden engines of growth all around us, from simple interest to the astonishing power of compounding, to how information spreads across a network. It's the simple, powerful code that governs how our world changes.